C8 Pate, back at you with another video. And in today's video, we're checking out car and bike show in Bellwood, Illinois. It's important I tell you where I'm at. Ooh, got that box Chevy with the Ruchis, with the matching steering wheel, with the comfortable seats. Boy, I used to do some things on them type of seats right there. Let me tell y'all something. Oh, we got the Daytona Charger 392 with the Volanos. Man, listen. They out here. We got the old school Monte Carlo. What's up? We got this joint right here. Yes, sir. We got the old school convertible Oldsmobile. We got this. That Mustang looking good. Got the Mustangs out. This one right here though. This one right here, man. Wow. Hold on. Wait a second. That is not a Mustang. What am I talking about? It's a Plymouth Barracuda. What am I talking about? There's a Mustang. They giving out trophies out here today. What's up with that El Camino? Get in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite is. Ooh, this bike diesel right here.
They all pick their colors.
Yeah. Here go one of my favorites right here. It's 442. Let's see how clean it is. Everything original. Man. Yeah, that 442 nasty. What is this?
Once again, any of you folks got children that would like to help us out up here,
I don't
we'll
know
keep it fair.
what
Let
this
them pick the tickets for us. So,
wow.
Anybody with children, just line them up here. We're
Wow.
going to keep going in a row, okay?
That is interesting. What do y'all think about this one right there? Wow. That is definitely interesting, I must say.
Are we all about ready to get started?
That is interesting.
Everybody up here is going to come or
Another one.
what? All you folks down
Oldsmobile
there. You guys
442.
all up here for the car entry? All right, let me start off.
That's nice.
On behalf of the promoter of this,
Look
Joe
at this
Eads and Eads
color.
Racing, we do this pretty much every year.
Uh-oh.
I think the city
We
of
got the
Elwood's
Raper
done a
van. The
fantastic
Raper
job.
van in the house.
This show has got better and better each
We
year. I
got
can tell
the
you we got
Raper van
over
in the house.
150
Oh
cars.
man, they got
today.
the wood in that
A lot of
joint.
people been out here since early this morning. Dedication.
Got that
That's
Raper
what it takes
van.
to have all these fine looking rides.
We got the
So,
C8s
why don't everybody give them
in the
a little clap
building.
or something? Let them know how much we appreciate them.
Got the C8s in the building. Get in the comment section. Let me know
All right,
what
so
y'all
I'm
think
not going to
about.
bore you to death to keep on talking, so I'm
Oh.
going to have these kids pick
Yeah, that's
the numbers.
diesel.
Please get your blue tickets out
That's diesel right
for
there.
the raffle giveaways, okay? There's some fine buckets here. Got plenty of no reason to not
I
go
like
home
it.
and wash your car, wax
I like it, I like it, I
detail
like
all
it.
that good stuff that got you here in the
70th
first place, right?
anniversary edition.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start this thing. Joe is going to be presenting things out. He's the promoter for this
All
event.
right. I don't
He works
really like.
closely with the mayor to
I think
make
I
sure
like the
this
car.
happens. He's
But I
also
don't
my
like the color
father, so-
combination.
All right, let's get started.
I can't say I like the color.
How about
I do
right
like
here,
the
my nephew?
inside, but I don't like the color combination.
All right, I'm just going to pick
This
the last
one,
two
ooh,
numbers. So
look
get
at the
your blue
wheels
tickets
on this
out.
boy.
052.
The man said 052.
Game over.
052.
That's diesel. I mess with it with the red seats. with the Lambo doors.
052, are you out
Get in the
there?
comment section. Let me know what you think
052.
about the C8s with the Lambo doors.
Very good, thank you.
I'm not sure what I think
All
about it.
right.
I do like this up front. And he just went crazy on the carbon fiber. Like, oh my God.
066.
Clarence Williams, aka Ghost, you went absolutely crazy on the carbon fiber. But that paint is
Here's
flicking.
another winner.
It is so many cars.
All right, good job there. Next one.
Okay, now that is just ugly. That part was ugly, but the rest of this car is fire. Them seats ugly though.
035.
Yeah, them seats pop.
035.
The rest of the car nice though. Man, they got like 1,000 trophies up here.
All right, moving right along. Next ticket. There you go, buddy.
A lot of people out here. Been out here since this morning, a lot of them. Just enjoying, ooh, these Harleys. A lot of these Harleys are
Anybody
popping.
got 015? There you go. Clean up the cheap seat.
Out of all these, you only got the one Riker over there. Got baby girl Riker over there, the only Riker that's here. So maybe that'll be an easy trophy,
All right, buddy, you ready to pick
since it's the
one?
only one that's
Pick a
here.
winner, okay?
But they got a lot of cars out here, man. There's a lot going on, a lot of cars.
077.
They doing some type of raffle.
077. You out there?
Alright. I'm not sure why you dress one of these cars up, but teach his own. Okay, it's nice. It's nice, but get in the comment section, let me know. Would you dress this joint up? Would you dress this Lincoln up? Get in the comment section and let me know right now.
102.
What is this one? The Toyota what? Okay. Got this another Mustang out here. Man, killing it. Yeah, boy. Okay, that paint, that's different. Get in the comment section. Let me know what you like out here. Maybe I'll buy it for you. I don't know. It's different. It's alright. They got a little something out here. It's alright, little decent car show. They got a little something out here. It ain't the best, it ain't the worst. It's decent for a Billwood car show. Got the young Infinity out here. Got the police out here harassing somebody, I don't know. Okay. Man, come on, man. If you're gonna bring your car to a car show and you got the rims on it and it got the paint that's looking good or whatever, come on, man. You can't have a cracked windshield. I don't know if that windshield is coming through on camera, but your whole windshield cannot be cracked. And you out here at a car show, and points got to get taken off of that. Nice car, but come on, man. The Chevy decent. It's decent. It's dusty, but it's decent. You know what I'm saying? It could be better. You know, they gotta, touch up a few things, but it's decent. Got that young slingshot out here. Get in the comment section and let me know If you see something you like, get all these young Chevys. Got this big Ram out here.
Next.
Yeah. I love coming to car shows, man. You get to enjoy yourself, see a little something. What's my favorite out here so far? Let me pick a favorite. I think I like the C8s. The C8s looking good. They good. Let me see if I can find something else. What the hell's going on with this? Okay, I guess they trying to say that's a straight race car with it. Oh, that boy looking good too. Look at that Challenger. Yeah, that Challenger. Challenger doing a little something. I mess with that Challenger. Got that young Impala.
088. 088.
Another El Camino. This thing plain. I think this might be my favorite at this show. This Impala is so decent. Yeah, this is probably my favorite right here. That paint with the engine and everything. Oh man. Yeah, I rocks with this one. I would take this one home. Yes. Whew. Yeah, that Impala, that's my favorite. Get in the comment section and let me know what your favorite is. Okay, got that Caddy. There's some nice cars out here, man. The rims on this boy.
.025.
There's some nice whips out here.
Here you go. He's a little bad for
Yeah.
Pick any one of them. You got it. That's it. He didn't like the first one.
Okay. We out here.
032.
Man, who remember this Caddy right here? And people definitely used to put these rims on it. What?
Alright, we're starting back over here with the game.
Of course we remember this Impala right here. Y'all remember this Impala. In Chicago, this is at one point, this is one of the most stolen cars when it first came out. Somebody got a Kia in the show. You know what I'm talking about? A Kia sitting in the show with some Volanos on it. This Mustang's something light, but it's nice. Like them seats in there. Yeah, that's nice right there.
031.
Yeah.
031.
I would overleave them off of this shit.
This joint right here. This Charger right here. What we doing with this Charger, y'all? Okay. I want y'all to keep it real right now. Get in the comment section. I'm gonna go around this car and y'all tell me, is this nice or is this just overdoing it? Let's go around. Look at the seats, red on red. Now go around it. What do y'all think about this one? Is it hot? Y'all see as the sun hits it, it starts turning different colors. What do y'all think about it? Is that hot? Is it not? I don't think I all the way like it. I'm gonna be keeping it real with you. I think I don't know. I don't know what I would have done different with this car, but I think I would like it more if the insides were black. I don't know. It's just a lot going on. A lot going on. Or I don't even know, man. Sometimes you could just get going on your car and you could just mess the whole look of the car up at some point. And I think that's what happened in this case. I don't know. Get in the comment section and let me know what y'all think. This car show though, I'm liking it. So get in the comment section right now. Tell me which car that you like the most that I showed out here. Mine was that blue convertible Impala, and that thing just goes hard. Now that I'm looking at this thing and the sun hitting it, I don't know, man. I don't know. A lot of different looks out here. I'm gonna say that blue Impala was my first favorite, and then as silly as I am, I'm gonna have to go with this wagon thing right here. I'm gonna say this got second place for me right here. I would cruise this down the street, especially like if it got a decent motor on it. Hey, come on, man, that's fun right there. You can't tell me you wouldn't get on this and ride. But hit that subscribe button for me right now.